Welcome, my name is Steve with CloudArc, and in this video we'll walk you through the simple process of adjusting your personal Chatter Digest emails in Salesforce. This is especially helpful if you want to control over how often you get Chatter updates, whether you want them daily, weekly, etc. And customizing these settings ensures you're the only one seeing the updates that matter the most to you. Now, when you're done learning how to adjust your personal Chatter emails, we've got another video coming up that will show you how to increase Salesforce efficiency while reducing license costs. It even introduces a new program that offers rebates on your Salesforce licenses, which are dollars that you can invest in training and consulting. So please be sure to check that out after this, and let's dive in. First, from anywhere in Salesforce, click your avatar in the top right corner of the screen. Now, from the drop-down, select Settings. This will take you to your personal settings area. In the quick find box on the left-hand side, type Chatter. From the results, click on the Chatter email settings. Here you'll see several options for email notifications, including the Chatter Digest. Now, under Chatter email frequency, you can choose how often you want to receive your digest emails. If you choose daily, you get them once a day. Weekly would be once a week. Never means stop receiving digest emails altogether. You can also fine-tune other notifications like mentions, posts on groups that you follow, or comments on discussions. Once you've selected your preferred options, click Save. Now that you've adjusted your Chatter Digest email settings, Salesforce will send you updates according to the frequency that you selected. This means less clutter in your inbox and a digest that's tailored to how you want to stay in. And that's it. We've just scratched the surface today. On the screen and in the description, I've included links to our Salesforce user training playlist. I've also included a 5-minute video that will walk you through 3 strategies to improve results and reduce Salesforce costs, including details about Salesforce's rebate program. This is a rebate program that allows you to use licensed dollars to pay for training and consulting. So please check out that video, How to Maximize Salesforce, and spend just a few more minutes of your precious time with us. We promise to help you take Salesforce to a whole nother level in your company. Finally, please remember to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. See you soon.